Today in a special program, as we be say earlier, we come talk about former president, President Nkrumah, if he for stay off salon politics or if he continue for do within he do as chairman for life inside the APC. But we get for caution people them. This not the time we all need for come and see things. Even if we not agree on one thing, we suppose for able to talk like responsible people them. I see at the comments, people they don't begin, they call one another names, and I don't think say Nadande we there for. But like I said, we they open the phone line. If you get opportunity for talk to the president for 1 minute, the former president for 1 minute, waiting you go tell them say, you don't know waiting they gone. But before that, 98.1 Michael Sambola be do a clip on the former president and if he for stay off the politics or not. But let we listen, Landy. Let we listen, then right after that, we go come and open the phone line. Listen to this clip now.
APC constitution not say if I go after an election. No. The constitution say you get 3 years.
Because I talk many people they say that.
I talk but National Advisory Committee take a decision say let it continue.
Whether they look at the way President Nkrumah they try for continue forget the whole of the APC. Now only the future he may be looking at.
Listen at the future.
That is for run again to be president of Sierra Leone.
As the National Secretary General for the APC party, Ambassador Usman Fode Ansane they say, now the highest decision-making body na the party asked former President Nkrumah for continue as chairman and leader after in term na office as president done, serve by all in 3 months after the election promise. The leader of government business, Honorable Sidi Tunis, they say, pan always in think say President Nkrumah na the main opposition leader na salon now. He still think say he gets plan for comeback and team up as president. This come after one concern with political analysts them don't they make, but the role way former presidents them can get for bring country together, especially na transition period. So make we start with the leader of government business na parliament, Honorable Sidi Mohammed Tunis.
President Nkrumah for don't be a statesman where issues and come, all man go to for advice and things like that. But as I speak to you, as far as I am concerned, President Nkrumah is the opposition leader of Sierra Leone. He's responsible for everything that is happening in the APC at the moment. Now they give the directives.
So how is at the chain where they use?
Now yes, I know they use. Simple as that. Look, the same APC from 2007 with President Nkrumah, Mikhail Masare, Ian Sane. These are the people who run the show. And that is the unfortunate part about our democracy right now.
President Nkrumah and I don't disagree on several issues. The APC Secretariat is an independent institution. Now we are in charge of a party at all levels. If you are a member of parliament, you are a member of the APC, answerable to the Secretariat. President Nkrumah, leader of the party, he is the political head of the APC. I am the administrative head of the APC. The constitution of the APC is very clear. SLPP, what you make Bakabano continue? Because Bakabano to be leader of the SLPP. It is the ordinary people who said, no go yet. Because we are confronted by a very uncaring government we want to destroy the party.
You've been listening to Ambassador Usman Fode Ansane, now the National Secretary General for the APC party. But the honorable leader for government business na parliament say where the member of parliament them they under the party secretariat and they control waiting them for do all them while lacking the inside.
If only they before left the MPs them for do waiting they ask the electors them elect them for do na this parliament here. Trust me, everything will be okay in this parliament. When they look at the way President Nkrumah they go within politics, now only the future he may be looking at.
Listen at the future.
That is for run again to be president of Sierra Leone.
They play a lot of dishonesty here because not anybody before Sam, not been under gunpoint, not been under knife point. The very day for elections, it talks against 3 months. Then after that, it go retire from active politics and go sit down. It present the pictures that say that something we be done frame, it be done work on, it don't already put the strategies in place. So for let it come back after the 3 months we against them overlap, even just a common member of the party raise and voice, at a disrespect to this nation because our former president.
You've been listening to Abdul Fatoma, the Chief Executive, Campaign for Human Rights and Development International, Chadi. Plenty political analysts them, where they look the political situation as Salon don't say, because former President Nkrumah be make difference now some people alive with the kind couple where it gives some, where some man one day see it, and some people where be enjoy overseas trip through the former president. Make them people here still loyal to the former president and believe saying that that's not the former president in Troncard now. But remember where the leader of government business talk say, it look like former President Nkrumah in action. Look the point back to the presidency, where the 1991 constitution no look talk about. So make we join the APC National Secretary General again.
The fact is President Nkrumah believe in this constitution. The constitution say 2 terms, whether concurrent or not. He don't obey down there. He don't retire. But he deserves his own respect. As soon as he gets that, he will recede to the back burner. We can assure him of that. But what is wrong? If it is interpreted that after this term he could come back, what is wrong about that? I mean, if that is their own interpretation, but we own interpretation, 2 terms he has served and he has ended, handed over power.
Plenty opposition people, plenty term always concerned say, President Julius Maada Bio and in government, look the one after former President Nkrumah for put on a tight place.
When President Bio took over office, he and President Nkrumah, they don't talk at least 2 or 3 times. The last time when President Nkrumah they travel out of this country, he called President Bio, he tell him say they travel out of the country, the 2 of them discuss him, and he had all the protocols and everything according to him, he traveled out of the country. But guess what? When President Nkrumah left the country, he go complain say President Bio want for arrest him. I mean, how can you do that to a friend? They want for arrest them.
Maybe because now the feeling people already communicate to him.
But did he call President Bio? Now, other heads of states in the sub-region, now they ask President Bio. President Bio say, I don't know about that.
Then two they meet. Even believe say with that, they go work together. But President Nkrumah say anytime he go there, if he complain about the way how they treat the soldier man that way in day to run, the policeman that way day to run, they say he will say I will take action. IG will call you, IG will not call. These are issues where President Nkrumah said as former head of state, if you say the current president been forgotten, the respect and address some of the issues there.
As some people they argue say President Nkrumah for done the out now and give other people a chance so that other political leader them go respect them. But now, because they think say they all dey inside politics, respect no dey. Other people they say the former president still popular na the party and the kind way how the party been divided after the election. Na the only policy we get the strength for build the party again and bring the member them together for the Society for Radio Democracy. Michael Sambola.
Yes, you don't listen to Michael Sambola from FM 98.1. You don't get a glimpse of why we asked the question. If former President Nkrumah for stay out of saloon politics, what's in you take on this? We dey open the phone line and we dey please ask people not for call names. You get 2 questions now they ask you. What in you take if you for stay out of politics, and if you get 1 minute with them, what you go tell them? The phone lines them soon they come open. Now, yes, what in you don't take former President Nkrumah if for stay in politics or for pull on fail Salon politics. The numbers them, the line then don't open now. You self get opportunity for call and be part of the program. Like I said, if you call the call names or calls, we go cut you off the air. 2 questions. Let's stay off politics. Then, if you get 1 minute with them, what you go tell them say? We don't get with first caller. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
Me Peter, I call from Virginia.
Yes, Peter from Virginia. People and they say, what in are you take? Former President Nkrumah, if I stay off politics, yes or no?
For now, no.
No, okay. If you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell him right now?
Well, I go tell and say, well, because as he left power, the entire government then tell and say they don't embezzle money in the country. So he need to give an account of those accusations. So until the Commission of Inquiry and all other investigations we then get against he and his own political party, until they find out everything they need to find out, he no need for step aside. He need for stay with him party until if they get for exonerate and say, well, he's free to go there, if nothing happen, his own party back, nothing happen. I think they go step aside. But until that, I think he need for deal with the party for make sure say he puts the party together and all the investigation and they don't go away. They don't get anything to do with that anymore. Then he go step aside. But for that, he need for deal with the party.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, caller, you did live on air. What's in your name and who you call from?
Yes, my name is Julius. I call from Oregon.
Yes, Julius, former President Nkrumah, if I stay off salon politics or not?
Of course, if I stay off salon politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell and say?
I mean, me go just advise him for make it be a statesman. We don't see all retired presidents, but they play a political role, but not the backseat then they take. Then they play a kind of advisory role. Then they be the daddy now, where problems occur. We see what in Solubi they do. We see what in Ellen Johnson Sirleaf they do. We see what in other presidents, retired presidents, then they do. Then they play an advisory role. They not they play active politics, but the president being the chairman and leader of a political party, they make so much disrespect they come to him. People will not even supposed for call on names, they call on names. People will not supposed for curse them, then they curse them, just because they play active politics. Let's say the APC and the SLPP get issue. Not to President Nkrumah, then supposed for go for advice. But as it is now, nobody not go to him for advice because not active politician, not chairman and leader of the APC. So if problem occur between SLPP and APC or any other political party, who that then go to? As it is now, Sierra Leone, only one statesman we get. Ghana, Solubi. Because we all don't see what things Solubi don't they do.
All right, thank you very much, caller.
Everybody be the good to him. So now so we want let President Nkrumah be.
All right, thank you, sir.
A statesman. All right. From active politics.
Thank you. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Yeah, my name now Oliver Kamara. The call from Canada, Toronto.
Yes, Oliver. Former President Nkrumah, for stay off politics or not?
I think say for stay off politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what do you go tell him?
If I get 1 minute, I will support the other caller. If I stay first, so to the inquiry of commission done, and the most important thing is to overshadow the current president. Yes, it overshadow it, like say the undermining authority. Yes, and we'll not see that happen with him in the power. So let's stay a low profile until they don't clear here in party then completely. Yes, before it show up. Because we go any side, the popularity. Yes, it's not too fine.
All
yes,
right.
so I'm contributor, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, caller. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Hello?
Yes, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, Tedrisha Charles from Sweden.
Yes, Tedrisha. Former President Nkrumah, if I stay off politics or if I continue?
I fully had come out.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell and say?
me go tell and say, you know, get good plan for our country. Number one, because you say law will not call names, I mean, for them put 2-3 people then before you are in example. One panel where they been interview and live na YouTube. It talk say if they not win that election, Salome people they not go ever enjoy Sierra Leone. Then they go so on. Good. The second example is in your vice president, when Victor Paul, be tell and say, yes, in the commode, and in the retire, fully and commode, and the party business. It can still go and sit down, listen to what Mother Bio, they talk. But one day we not see it Victor Paul in hand, and then go rubbish when in the give hand to them for APC people there na salon, they play rudeness. Victor Paul not do one yet, we all the watch. But he did one, he not get good plan for our country.
All right, thank you very much.
Continue, not a better team. Main pulley and come out, you don't all we no want to get. Yeah, all the white, one black no day.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye.
Yes, former President Nkrumah, if you stay off salon politics or not? If you get 1 minute with him right now, wait till you go tell him. But since he say what you they talk about? He said the poor man then in village, he come out one time for can show support to in family and in friends them. Yes, we get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
Hello, this is Brian Justice calling from.
Yes, Brian. Former President Nkrumah, if you stay off salon politics or not?
If I stay.
If I stay off or on?
Yes, if I stay on.
On. Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
Oh, that man is the most celebrated and most respected leader ever Sierra Leone ever produced. And he gets a great impact for doing the APC. I think this is why some of the other side they feel threatened, feel intimidated, because the man gets a lot of food on the table. And decision making in the APC, the man will lift up APC. He is spending hard cash. He did make sure that things he just want to put things together. He don't want any power again to go sit on the control anymore. They just want to make sure that APC be okay. And the country, he love the country. And Nkrumah, one of the personally will love the country, because I can remember way Pakaba hand over power to them, hand over notes. He put her outrightly, say, Mother Bio empty the Kufa of Sierra Leone. He put her outrightly, go to the leg, go read the hand over notes. He did it. But Nkrumah, because he loved the country, we come. He gave blind eyes to all them things, and he said, okay, let me move forward and work for the people of this country.
Okay.
Patiently try to bring the country to very good standings until we get the Ebola outbreak. But
all right, thank you.
For stay on. Most welcome, mate.
All right, thank you very much, Brian.
All right, most welcome. Bye.
Yes, caller, you there live on air. Your name and who side you call from? You there live on air. Your name and who side you call from? I think we lost a caller there. Yes, caller, you there live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
I'm in a quarter, the call from Paris.
Yes, Swad from Paris. President Nkrumah, if you pull on politics or not?
If you pull on politics, totally.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what do you go tell him?
I go tell him, say, dear Mr. President, all the money we don't thief by the country, you understand? You go buy $700,000 motor car, customized motor car, you drive and the pass. When we present say no get that kind of motor car, but all what you don't do, the good now, the bad now, we don't forgive you. Just one time, you and Usman Afane, when I just one time about politics and go to the circle. and go to those circles, allow the young breed them, let them take over the party and try to form a development and count another country today.
All right.
President Kuruma, it's high time we get to pull up our police para country. In the made in all the Kuskato they have to, all them about the spirit movement, evangelism something, now in the fund there. Now in the fund, now in the buy support for now in the fund there. Because right now, you want the entire APC, and the only possible get money. You get thousands of dollars there inside that ocean and can you bear? So
all right, thank you.
Peace, make it just continue for make you work out of politics. Don't feel.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you very much. Okay. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
Mina Sumabla.
Yes, hello. President Kuruma, former President Kuruma. If you pull on, you hear me?
I get you, yes.
I say former President Kuruma, if you pull on a saloon politics or not?
Yeah, well, yes, I want to take part for the program. Yes, if you pull on saloon politics.
If you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
Well, I go tell him for me, make it be as former, maybe a state head man now. Make it do like how Jerry Rollins in Ghana right now. That only before the deeper now. You know, for me, politics again, for the advice. That only if I meet and that only I go look for talk to a big and do a part. You don't make it be state head man and a saloon. Make it a settle political problem. For the so now advice for
okay. All right, thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. And yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Yes, I name who I call from Washington.
Yes, sir. Former President Kuruma, if you stay off salon politics or if you continue?
Well, we not go tell her make it stay off. Let's just continue. We go continue for disrespect and because we know say statesman not behave so.
Okay. Now two questions we get. Hold on, sir. Hold on. Now two questions. You don't answer the first one. The second one, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
Well, me go just tell him say if he want in respect, make he just bow out of active politics and sit down now. People then go they respect him. They pass like former president. I think say the government self will get all the respect to it deserve. But for now, I don't think say government go respect her or anybody go na the opposition or other party then go respect her as former president since na in the opposition leader. At that moment we they say. Now that I go tell them.
All right, thank you very much.
If you want to respect, make it bow out. But if you not bow out, we go continue for disrespect and say na shame go kill him.
All right, thank you. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from? You did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Okay, I name Ibrahim. I call from Tehran.
Yes, Ibrahim. Former President Kuruma, if you continue the salon politics or if you pull in?
If I pull on for politics, totally.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
1 minute, yeah, if I got 1 minute to time, the one thing I go tell her is that they watch waiting cow the world. They go back and the TLC reports. They watch the small picky where they cut it and remember. Politics time done. They behave like a statesman. Nobody everybody knows say popular, and nobody because they don't stand as president. They pull them up from politics, try to behave like statesman. Sierra Leone, a country where we all for united come as one. Well, the moment Solobi stand a crucial election at this country, they even pass them. Hello?
Yes, you're live.
Yeah. Where Solobi, the moment Solobi lost election, the first way they call a congratulator straight and behave like a statesmanship, that's nice Sierra Leone and they expect an S for do. Not so for they undermine the country in progress, and you people say she don't have a remote corner, they micromanaging in the country. Remember, say you get picky, you get features, you can for go before. Don't left this politics. we don't vote and elect a democratically elected president when I tell Brigadier Julius Maada, he got 5 years for rule. When they will not allow that, after they rule, then the people will go to the box back and vote them. Definitely, where it go show. But not there you the micromanage. The honest members say, Sierra Leone, we don't come up with water rebel war, and we suffer, then cut down, they rape people, and let no say, what they do now, they undermine the peace process. If anything happen in this country, they are the number one post where they go all accountable.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yes, the phone lines are still open. You get opportunity for call and be part of the program. Former President Nkrumah, if for pull on salon politics or for continue. If you get a minute with him, what you go tell him? Yes, we get another caller. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
My name Bintu and I call from Boston, Massachusetts.
Yes, Bintu. Former President Nkrumah, if for pull on salon politics or if for continue?
If I pull on.
If you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell him right now?
I go tell the pa make it give peace a chance. I go tell her make it go sit down and make it give advice to both parties or all the political parties. Make it give advice in order for the better and for the peace of Mami Salone. And that's what I will tell them. Do ya make it create peace, make it bring that peace into the country. Now it get the country stay at hand. Do ya make it let go? Make it let go and make it give peace a chance. Now that's what I will tell her.
All right, thank you very much, Bintu. We get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
My name is Mohammed. I call from Reading, UK.
Yes, Mohammed from Reading. Former President Nkrumah, if for pull on Pansalo politics or if for continue?
If for pull on politics.
If you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
I go tell and say, Pa, your time done. You don't go. You for respect the next man who don't come. You for be as a statesman now. At least if you come up, we then go respect you. Your time done. You need the respect. But if you continue, the people there, not only your party, the APC, even the opposition, I mean the SLPP, then, if then take any action against you, they're right. Because if you behave as a politician, then go treat you just as a politician. If you behave as a statesman, then go give you the respect. Not only the oppositions, even the population, and go say that man, he go just like Solomon Biu. I mean, the Solomon, he lost the election, they accept, they go away sorrowful. So that the same thing we want from Mr. Nkrumah, make a just give chance a peace. We want salon, we want peace as alone.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Eddie Grant say, he say, Nkrumah should learn from good luck. He say, from good luck, Jonathan. He say, if we step down from all affairs of politics and go rest. Yes, we get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
I'm Patrick Sakwa, call from Germany.
Yes, Patrick from Germany. Former President Nkrumah, if we continue with salon politics or if we pull in?
Well, as far as me concerned, based on the theory of politics, they said we all are political animals because you either affect politics or politics affect you directly or indirectly. You know.
So if we continue or if we pull in?
Actually, in term of office done, if for be because in a being let me say an active politician.
No, just go straight. Wait, just go straight. If we continue or if we pull in?
If we're pulling on
okay, good. So if you get 1 minute with him right now, which you go tell him?
I'll just tell him no more say actually if elect the country, make it just listen to the voice or voices of the people, the majority of the people, make it actually listen to them and act towards them because most of the people don't tell him say and in promise even during the election or during the campaign, in say after election, it declare himself out of politics, which he failed for do, you understand? Eh? Meaning that he not stick to in words. So if at a day before me delegate to that, just tell and say, pa, now for do what you been say, you know. And even if it get for be because all politicians they not go there out of all politicians they not go there out of politics 100%, but actually they act in even active political terms of office don't end. So make it try for bridge. Let's say from the layman, from the voice of the layman or from the side of the layman, they try for be on real side, not on the side of the active politician. Let's say being a political party member take a die. That not they pave a good way for them. That not a sign of a dictatorship. Make it try for get out of the political system of Sierra Leone.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Yes, we get another caller. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, Mina Tarawali had a call from Maryland again.
Yes, Tarawali again. You don't call just now, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Former President Nkrumah, if I continue with salon politics or if I pull in?
If I continue with salon politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
What I go tell him is very, very short. I go just tell him, say, do we need him at this time the way our country day. We need him because of his past experience we don't get. As a former president, we want to make it see how he will able for use that in expertise, that experience there, of we him in the face some challenges. We need them at this time. You see some people and they compare Ghana, they compare Nigeria to Salone. Salone indeed win a young country. Or make I just put them, well, I not go one for say a fragile country, but we're young in politics. If you take like Nigeria get about 6 former presidents, 6 former presidents alive right now within they inside Nigeria. Then people ended and they help a lot for place Nigeria now the position inside Nigeria today. If you see what they say, Nigeria now almost they be the giant of Africa, close to South Africa. You take Ghana again at the same thing. Ghana get about 4 former presidents when they inside Ghana. Then all the help for put the head together in times of some situations then where the present president go need advice. So we need somebody like that in our country. If you look like President Nkrumah now, he is the only one, the only former president of Sierra Leone, democratically elected with alive. Lord, we pray God, after Julius Maada Bio in time, maybe after 10 years or so, let me just put it straight, maybe instead go can join the club. That time they will get in with an Nkrumah. And I believe, say, as how we they build up that whole thing, that club, the Salone go really, they go into side and where we not going to face them challenges, then so we're not going to face them. And the other point, I beg, just give me this one point. Lord, we not forget, say, President Nkrumah, right now, we they pay him with taxpayers' money. He's a retired man. We they pay him with the taxpayers' money. So we need somebody like that. We not just need for left arm for make it just the eat with tax money there like that. We need them. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you very much. Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Well, my name is Hassan at the Way, London, Reading.
Yes, Hassan from Reading. Former President Nkrumah, if I continue with salon politics or if I pull in?
Well, I believe, say, former president, if they don't serve.
If I continue or if I pull in?
If I pull in for salon politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, which you go tell him?
I go tell him, say, if I sit back and tell the politician and I'll say, this is not the way you should do. Waiting past the former who watched through AYV, it was a disgrace to salon politics. I will not let for do that. For most who parliamentarian there, where we people don't vote for the match in the street, no. I believe that the party need for call them and tell them, say, this is not a politics. I'm not a politics again. I've stepped back, but this is not a politics.
All right. Thank you very much. Yes, we get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
Me, I'm Mohamed Sissé, I call from Paris, France.
Yes, Mohamed from France. Former President Nkrumah, if I continue with salon politics or for Pulian?
Well, I believe say nobody not get right for tell what he for do. I believe say na in constitutional rights for either continue with salon politics or for left arm.
Okay, but what would they ask now today if I continue or not? According to you.
Continue.
Okay.
If he say one continue for continue because waiting do.
Okay. No, not to end the question. Let's just stay to topic here. If I continue, if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell her right now?
If I get 1 minute with him, I go tell him say, now make it continue with politics way he did after, because the way how the country they go now, at least he needs some experience, somebody for able for put in troop together so that for fight for win the next election 2023. Understand? So for me, I don't go tell and say make he resign from politics. Plus, if he feel for resign from politics, then he can go ahead and resign from politics. That na you write that. But we don't see what will happen at the false world. We don't see in America Obama come out he campaign for in party during elections. I don't inside France here Sarkozy don't serve as president. He don't come back. So if you want to continue for serving country, you can continue.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, thank you, caller. Yeah. Yes, caller. We get another. Yes, you. What's in your name and who side you call from?
Abraham from Tehran.
Yes, you know we don't call just now.
Yeah, I just want to make 1 point quick.
Okay, please, would they beg let people and call just one time because not the same question no more. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, I say for Pulampa politics. I just want to clear 1 point where one caller make reference of Ghana and Nigeria. All those presidents where they live now, where they Ghana and Nigeria, none of them are in active politics. It not mean say you for join your party, for they actively by party for they the country where they know, not when people in talk. And ask him behave as a statesman. And then they need that form, you understand? But you know to be a chairman and leader for life as a political party.
Okay.
To say if it help country, it will be very biased.
Okay.
So just like how they say, for the good interest of the country, you should pull on off from politics. All the country the way measured, none of them are the active member of the political party. They're none. They all have the role of a statesmanship now. The ambassador, the Goodluck Jonathan, JJ Rawlings, where they Ghana, all of these people.
All right.
They make like a statesmanship. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, caller, you're live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
This is Saladin, I call from.
Yes, sir. Former President Nkrumah, if I pull on politics or not?
If I pull on politics.
If you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell and say?
I go just tell and say, dear Mr. President, watch all you neighbors in the sub-region, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, not in party win, but when in party lost to George Weah, it just takes them what and food and politics in George Weah, they are like best friends. But let me tell you something, my brother. And please, Mr. Moderator, that caller we call this, whether one in the out of 100 we call this, we talk say, and it's come up for still continue into politics. You get up to 3 minutes. So I want to take notes of this because I can't give you analysis.
No, 1 minute. I'm not giving nobody 3 minutes. The line hot, other people get for call. Other people in the call and then say need them voice for be heard. So make you quick and make you continue. Not to analysis. If you meet with them, what you go tell them?
I go just tell them say one stand come up for country politics. Feel. Victor Bokari when I been vice president, when he went and pick he put her, he don't reason, he don't think twice because he get the country at heart. He don't want stand for salon politics. He don't sit down aside. Who done in? And it's coming in Auda.
All right.
In nothing.
Okay, thank you.
Don't stick for money.
Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Wetin?
Your name and who side you call from?
I'm from Tedrisa Charles from Sweden.
Yes, Tedrisa, if you don't call just now, while people and call one time, but just make your point quick.
I just want little, small, you know they say. I know they say small, I beg.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah? Huh? Okay. I just want to tell the papa say, it no matter how you sabi dance, you go dance legs and back, do all kind of things on stage, but you go leg stage for other dancer, may can dance, may the audience then see, but una too, who's want to be dance? So my papa say, don't rest, you don't done, me and they talk today. Okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
I call from Holland, Nina Jajai.
Yes, former President Kuruma, if for pull on Pasalu politics or for continue?
If for pull on from politics.
And if you get 1 minute with him right now, which you go tell him?
Well, I go tell him say the president will don't elect right now, make him left and let you rule. Make where you rule, then at least it will be better for everybody. Then peace go there. Make it here in your own time, pay it done. Then the people then vote them out or they vote them in, but they get for left and self rule and give them a chance, no matter what. You know that's I will tell them. You know,
all right.
Give everybody a chance. You know, all right.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
This is Nazara from Calbatown.
Yes, I'm Zara. Former President Kuruma, if for continue or if for stay off salon politics?
Hold on. Now, the theoretic right for stay if he choose.
Okay. Now, if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell him?
I will tell him say if he contribute well to the country, like continue. If you know they contribute well, then like stay off. But if they contribute well towards the country and the development, now you're right. Nobody know for stop them. You get right for continue to anything we want to do. People they call, they hurt them too warm. It's too bad. Not to sorry for the talk. Where you want to get point, get them politely. Talk to your leader politely or so, or big person. But people they hurt them too warm. You know fine. If President Bio come out tomorrow, that's what they want people and they talk so, they curse and tell and thief or tell and short words them. Anybody we don't pass you, we don't rule you, just therefore respect them.
All right.
The comments they on Facebook, people in the call with one mouth, tell well.
Okay.
Let's know the solve problem. You get right for continue if you choose to.
All right, thank you very much.
Now you're right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, we get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, waiting on your name and who side you call from?
My name is Mohamed Kanu. I'm calling from France.
Yes, Mohamed Kanu from France. Former President Kuruma, if I continue in active politics or for Pulian?
Yeah, you get it right for continuing for the politics as a former president of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
A contribution when we want to the former president.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you did sound afar. Yes, if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell him?
I just want to tell him for making support the president right now within the power, for being able to make Salon smile for the better of the country.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from, please?
My name is Fala Sewa, I call from London.
Yes, Fala. Former President Kuruma, if I continue with active politics or if I pull in?
Well, if I pull in and if I be a principal advisor to any president.
Okay. If you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell her?
Well, I will talk to Aleka, the talk so bad, and for you for be a principal advisor for any leader where they come in that country there. Because the way at which things go, not right. Not to say for be. Now that I will tell her.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
My name is Amos Rashid Mustafa from Syracuse, New York.
Yes, Amos. Former President Nkrumah, if I continue with active politics or if I pull in?
If I continue with active politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell him?
I go tell him, say, former President Nkrumah, a role model in Australian politics. They pay you out of taxpayers' money. If you serve as Umrah, embrace all other political parties for give them advice where it makes sure they will country Sierra Leone forge ahead. Because the political arena where it happen in Australia by now, it make the country really develop because 2-3 days with the different things the way they happen, where even international body going to be very happy over our country. So if we did it and embrace all the other political parties, we did it for two. Yeah,
all right.
That's the contribution.
Thank you very much, caller.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah.
Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller. Your name and who side you call from, please?
My name David Awunasinesi. I call from Arlington, Texas.
Yes, David, former President Nkrumah, if I continue with salon politics or if I pull in?
The man for pulling.
Then if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell her right now?
I will remind them, say, former President Nkrumah, you don't fail this country. You promise the people of Sierra Leone, say, after election, you go wipe your hand from active politics. So the election on done now, waiting na the need for me to continue for the destabilize the country. You don't unpick your parliamentarian them. Small, but you don't put them in that parliament state. They not listen to laws and orders of the country. You there behind the door, you there remote control them. Do ya na peace we want. Resign from active politics. Now that na the only thing I go tell them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you there live on air. Your name and who side you call from, please?
I'm in Abato, I call from in London.
Yes, former President Nkrumah, for continuing active politics or for pulling in?
Well, I believe this man is for pulling in for active politics.
If you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell him?
Well, for Nkrumah, you guys are the president. And you don't say that you're not going to be president again. So at this time right now, what you should be able to do right now, and for let the country go together.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Okay, I call from London. I need Tom.
Yes, Tom. Former President Nkrumah, for continuing active politics or for pulling in?
You understand, eh?
If for continue or if for pulling in?
If for continue because I never
okay.
That diamond.
Wait, listen to the question. Listen. If you get 1 minute with President Nkrumah now, what you go tell him?
I execute him.
All right, thank you very much. I think we'll be making clear where we're ready for start the program. I think say we'll all for be civil here, we'll get respect, and just make your point hard without calling names and without being any kind of other way we not go find to even the one the way they listen. Yes, we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
My name Rose, I call from Maryland.
Yes, Rose from Maryland. Former President Nkrumah, if I continue active politics or if I pull in?
If I pull in on active politics.
If you get 1 minute with him, what do you go tell him?
I go tell him, say, Papa Ernest, you don't serve the highest office in Sierra Leone. The one that they can be you where they now you party, give them chance. You be a statesman now and advise where you see things they go wrong at the country. If you want that country for go before. You not get no need for the inactive politics again because the highest office you don't get that. Waiting else you need. Your presence in active politics, they bring problem at the country. So do you, Papa, sit down and enjoy your retirement.
All right. Thank you very much. Yes, we get another caller. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, my name is Hindu Toa. I had a call from North Carolina, United States.
All right. Former President Nkrumah, if you continue active politics or if you Pulian?
If you Pulian.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell her?
Okay, I go tell her make it Pulian. You know, now if for the play advisory role, or if for the particular international affairs, like for go conduct election in other country, or if something happen, you know, not any kind of role models there. Not any kind of thing for do, you know, for the active politics. It is still a trouble. I tell you, it is still a trouble in that country.
All right.
If for the go like Mahama, President Mahama can't salon, they can't conduct election. Now they can rule they will foresee President Ernest Bai Koroma now, not for active politics. Now my own contribution down there.
Okay, thank you very much, caller. Yes, caller, you did live on air. You name and who side you call from?
Mina Farah Lamin Kamaran from Italy.
Yes, Fire. Former President Nkrumah, if we continue with active politics or if we Pulian?
If Pulian.
If you get 1 minute with him right now, what you go tell and say?
We tell and say, me, I just tell and say, Pa, you don't do you give chance to the one then when they in the power. And about not the example of Solomon Berewa and Tijan Kava, who they left politics, they never go near that place again, begin to instigate. And so it's either our country, who they outside elsewhere, so would they watch your country, then they will country, and they put the country at shame. Look, then they out and who begin the boycott. Everywhere they talk, say, look on a country when they run away in a parliament.
Okay.
Friends and they from Fukunan, so me and Nkrumah, me and you don't know you tell and say, Pa, give up on this politics.
All right.
No one goes into any problem again. No one goes in any problem again, and within the so no problem anchor with for we. Because more it is instigates the younger one there, and Sierra Leone and the younger one there, they not get one talks. We see them tell them the water for drink and we serve in the jump na street. And no one go to the old one again. You see.
Thank you very much, caller.
And affect and provoke so.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we get another caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Mina Morris from New York.
Yes, Morris. Former President Nkrumah, for continue active politics or not?
For Pulan.
If for Pulan, if you get 1 minute with him now, which you go tell him?
I will just tell and say, Pa, you don't give chance to other people there. Because most of the problem right now in the parliament, and Nkrumah, inside them guys, and then parliamentarians, and to do all this havoc when they go on right now. So I will tell and say, dear Pa, go sit down. You don't do you.
All right, thank you very much, caller. So get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Namina Alaji Isa, they call from Italy.
Yes, Alaji Isa. Former President Nkrumah, if for Pulan pa active politics or if for continue?
If for Pulan pa active politics.
If you get 1 minute with him right now, which you go tell him?
I go tell and say make it Pulan pa active politics because right now the country not stable right now because I mean if in there out of active politics then go do better the situation of the country right now it go do calm small but we in there in active politics right now I believe that they make more the people most of the parliamentary look then there's a what happen where the parliamentary they work out. Maybe something I believe maybe now they talk to the parliamentarian there because most of them are listening to what he see and what he say 90 so if it make people on politics right now making she don't corner then anything come up where he be say they need them then it will come in then give advice but right now it's supposed to make it left politics right now.
All right, thank you very much, caller.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yes, we get a caller on the line. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Yes, I name Ibrahim Kamara, they call from Canada.
Yes, Ibrahim from Canada. Former President Nkrumah, if we continue in active politics or if we pull in? Yes, caller, you did live on air. Your name and who side you call from?
Mina Kaba, the call from Pennsylvania.
Yes, Kaba. Former President Nkrumah, if for continuing active politics or for pulling on?
For totally pull on for active politics.
If you get 1 minute with him, which you go tell him right now?
I go tell him, say, Mr. President, former President, you ruled for 10 years with no problem in the country. But right now, when you end up on this active politics, a lot of boycott, a lot of problems they go through. I go bigger for a pull on for active politics because a lot of boycott they go through. If needed, they go try for give advice to the president right now if needed. But active politics, if for totally pull on for active politics, and I'm your contribution.
All right, thank you very much, caller.
Thank you.
Yes, caller, you did menu side you call from, please.
My name is Dembasi, I'm calling from Italy.
Yes, former President Nkrumah, if for continuing active politics or if for pulling on?
Well, as things they go, you're not even supposed to take part in personal politics.
Okay, if you get 1 minute with him, what you go tell and say?
Well, if I get the opportunity for me to talk, I'll just tell and say, let it pull on for politics. Because like, all the people that happen at Salonso, and all the things that they happen, all the APC MPs that they do. Now this man and the engineer them. This guy would have a smart for the answer. They are the two people that they are engineering those people. Just because of like our constitution in Sierra Leone say, if you are a member of socio-political party representing them in parliament, if you not dance to the tune of those political parties, even though they are in opposition, they can take the symbol for me, will lose two seats. I don't know if there is any way for Make Salon will watch to that constitution, because that's that they give them. Truly, not to all member of parliament from APC who they do things because they do and say they want for them, but just because of that kind of today they against them, say this party and bring me kind of parliament. So if you are not dance to the tune of the politicians, then go take the symbol on me. And like for example today, even
okay,
like,
thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Yes, I think we lost you just now. Don't get you back. I go just, yes, you can introduce yourself back, please.
Yes, Mina Ibrahim Kamara, they call from Canada.
Yes, Ibrahim. I be asked the question before. Former President Nkrumah, if you continue in active politics or not?
Well, I would say no. Enough for continuing active politics, but let us get for no waiting at the camp. Let us get for no first waiting at active politics.
Just like waiting in a chairman for life right now. So that's active politics.
Well, no, I'm not going to take them for be active politics because you can be just like other callers in the talk. Say you can take an advisory position. Yes.
Okay, if you get a minute with them, what you go tell her?
Waiting definitely, I would tell former President Ernest Bai Koroma, because I know now we're a very quiet gentleman, we like peace. I would just tell him for let it continue. For maintain the peaceful standards where it don't show all through from the time where it not been there in politics and to the time where it come into politics and it become head of state. Let just continue that path. Let encourage, let foster members of his party, that is the APC, but let them think of any violence. Let it continue for preaching the oneness, unity, we inherit from him predecessor when I late Alhaji Tijan Kabana. That's me go tell him. But the issue say he's active in politics. No, he's not active in politics. Given an advisory position, no means he's active in politics. Like people like Tony Blair and other people, like he still take part in the liberal politics for no order the Liberal go elect as their candidate. That do not mean say they're active in politics. No.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
Yes, we get one caller. Let's just squeeze them in quick. Yes, caller. Your name and who side you call from?
I'm in Tamba Pakima, the call from London.
Yes, Tamba. Former President Nkrumah, if for continuing active politics or if for pulling on?
If for pulling on.
If you get 1 minute with and right and which you go tell them?
Yeah, I go just tell and say you days and you don't spend your days then, and for just to go back and sit down and wait what is the result, what is then go the Salon people then go get for Gio. Then coming back to this parliamentary walkout, it's a disgrace to the country because not to matter Bioga the country belongs to we, and then we still choose. So if somebody is representing the country, I mean the people then at the parliament, they walk off when the national anthem is going on. It sounds to me is treasonable. So I can recommend that they give them the maximum punishment, make them not do again. It's rather unfortunate people like that, most of them are educated, then take upon themselves the walk out of where the national anthem is in progress. You can't do that. If you do that, you disrespect the whole country. So this is what my take is.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.